Hi, my name's Ben and I'm going to be talking about what I'm working on at the moment. So this time it's some tattoo art, and this was a sleeve done for a customer. It was a Greek themed sleeve, so we've got Medusa, Athena and Zeus. As always, rough was drawn out, sent to the customer for approval to make sure I was going in the right direction, and we needed to make some amendments just to get the sizing right. And I added some shading just to sort of give myself a guide for when I turned it into an actual tattoo. I think I'm about 70% of the way through the tattoo for this one, so it's going pretty well, but still probably needs a couple more sittings until the full sleeve is completed. So yeah, I wanted to just take the bottom part, the Medusa, and turn that into an image of its own. So like with the last two what I'm working on posts, this one's given the sort of customary colours, red circle background, and just generally remastered the whole image. And yeah, if you'd like to support what I do, prints are available of this one at bencrafter.com, and thanks for watching.